Yeah, so another feature about the Insta Ace Pro, you can also use it as a car cam as well. This has a feature in here that has like loop recording, which you can use it for, just kind of for driving around, and you can capture. And it's easy because, again, it's very easy. You can either go like back and forth like this, or let's say you can also tap on your screen here, and what you're looking for is loop recording. As you can see here, when it's got loop recording, that gives you that feature where you can go in here. What I use as the best settings for as a car cam, you want to put the stabilization on low here, or it says low, or you can actually even have it on off, because the car is so stable, you're not going to have that jerky video or anything. So I'm going to try it off, and so you guys can see that it works with the stabilization off. And I use 16:9, and I also have the HDR on. And then here for the minutes, you have a choice of how much. This is infinite looping, so basically it keeps recording until you stop it. I usually keep it, you get 1, 3, 5, 10 minutes. What I find that is, it's pretty good, is 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it'll loop and record over the same video. So if something happens, you're always able to, kind of like go back and see what, the video. So within 20 minutes, I think that's more than good. And I have it on 4K, 60 frames per second. That's more than enough. So yeah, what I do is, again, there's different types of mounts. I'm using, this is a windshield type mount. There's dashboard mounts that you can get here. There's other ones that you can actually stick in here and then slide it in here, and then you'll have it underneath the rear mirror. You can set it anywhere. I'm just using this just so you guys can see. I've been testing this out, and you can see here, it actually works pretty good. The other thing that is nice about that, the Ace Pro and all these action cameras that are voice activated. So for example, let's say I have it set up there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and say, start recording. And you can see here, I don't even have to touch it or anything, because it's just voice activated. Same thing, I can, let's say I want to stop it from recording. I'll just say, stop recording. And you can see that, it just stops the recording. And again, I can start it at any time. I said recording, so it actually started on its own again. Stop recording. So we're going to go ahead and test it out. We're going to see, I'm going to keep it on there, and we'll just be, on the road. That, I'll show you guys some quick videos of, great quality it does. With the daylight, it gets, you get good footage out of it. Yeah, so you can see start recording, and it can get good footage off of this as well. So I'll put the video in there, the footage, so you guys can see there how what it captures and all the surrounding. Another thing I do have it is just on ultra. I don't have that super wide angle. That's more than enough. Actually, not the ultra. I have it under the narrow. Dewarp, sorry. I have it always set on dewarp, and you can still get enough coverage around the footage that you need.